My name's Taylor Campbell with American Defense Manufacturing. This is Mike Ross as well. We're going to go over a couple of weapon systems with you. This is going to be brand new to the market. This is our new Glock design. There was a lot of thought, a lot of teamwork, and a lot of calculations that went into making this gun. Our first and foremost priority was to make sure that everything we did had a purpose. So I'm going to start off on the slide. What we did is we widened the stock cocking serrations right there. We put some forward cocking serrations as well for press checks and such. And we also looked at what other people were doing, and they're putting windows in. Well, you know, as a mechanical engineering major, I looked at this and I said, well, why are you incorporating those windows in that location? So what I did is I worked with individuals with PhDs from Oxford in physics. I worked with mechanical engineering PhDs, and we positioned these window cuts in this location, and what that does is it lowers the center of mass of the slide, and that's how rotational force is calculated. Rotational force is calculated from your pivot point to the centralized center of mass. So what you get by doing that is you get a very, very fast tracking and flat shooting gun. It's unbelievably fast. Also, what's going to come standard on these Glocks are going to be Warren tactical sights. They're one of Mike and I's favorite sight setup. Also, the stippling done is by Danger Close Armament, one of the best Glock stipplers out there. About a 40% backstrap reduction right there. He's going to relieve the undercut a little bit for a higher purchase, relieve it right in the beaver tail as well. We're going to offer it in titanium nitride barrels also. In the next coming month or two, we're going to be doing our own flat face trigger also. It's going to be our own all in-shop made trigger. We're going to keep the stock trigger bar, probably include a Glock 3.5 pound minus connector to keep that Glock OEM reliability. Also, we're going to be doing our own mag well all in-house, and those are going to come with our full builds. So, I mean, I would really put this particular firearm up against any major company out there. What we created is something that's unbelievable. One of the fastest tracking and flattest shooting Glocks Mike and I have absolutely ever experienced. So, and I'm going to transfer to Mike. He's going to go over the UIC rifle with you guys.
So yeah, American Defense has been making rifles for the last couple of years. We both make an AR-15 platform as well as an AR-10 platform. So that would be either in 5.56 300 black or 308 and a 6.5 Creedmoor. Our guns are a little bit different. We bring something new to the market. We have a fully ambidextrous lower receiver. We literally have built-in controls into the lower receiver. You can lock the bolt to the rear and drop the bolt, whether you are a left or right-hander. It's just as easy for either side, right? Our guns are fully billet, meaning that they're actually machined out of a solid block of 70-75 T6 aluminum. That rigidity actually translates over to accuracy. So we make the complete gun, including the end plates. Upper and lower receivers, we offer 3 different handguards. M-Lock, this is our low light rail. We also offer a key mod variety. We finished that all off with a Criterion barrel. Criterion is the premier production barrel manufacturers in the United States of America. This is a 1-in-8 twist with a 223 wild chamber. Incredibly accurate. It'll stabilize any grain bullet, and we'll be able to shoot your 223 or your 5.56 to supreme accuracy. Also, it comes included in our rifles. There's a staggered buffer system. It's actually 3 separate slots that slide back and forth. This really helps to dampen that recoil, that sharp recoil impulse. It also reduces bolt bounce as the bolt goes back into battery. So we shoot a lot of full auto, and that bolt bounce can be significant, and this really just completely eliminates that. I thought it was a gimmick at first, but you'd be surprised how flat and soft shooting our guns are. Also, we have a high volume gas tube. Our gas tubes actually hold more gas, and it just creates a nice smooth blowback into the action. Again, just super flat shooting rifles, super fast. In our rifles, we have the 60-degree throw levers. We make those in-house. We also make our own triggers, both single stage and 2-stage triggers. They come right from the factory in all of our guns. And included in that is Embus Pro flip-up sights and Magpul furniture. So we are really happy with our guns. If you guys are looking for something a little bit different, a little bit faster, a little bit more rugged, I highly recommend that you check out American Defense Manufacturing.